Morning YouTubers. Just a quick one on this do-it-yourself payroll. Just thought a quick one here. I got another video coming up shortly in regards to more detail, but just a quick one on a new small business payroll, do-it-yourself. You'll see from this it has a few different categories as far as what you need for each pay. You can see up to 10 employees, fairly easily done. You can see that if you enter data here and you go through to the individual, you can enter details here. I'll show you how quick that can happen. Apprentice, we go 21, he's on full-time. He's on a weekly pay system, weekly. He starts at 7 and he finishes at 3:30. We can now go to him and you'll see a pay sheet. That pay sheet turns into a pay slip, which is easily done and easy. Let's say a normal week, 7 till 3:30, those times we put it there. There it is. Very simple, 52 weeks, 10 employees or less. Quick and easy to do for small business. Cost is $350 a year. Well, $350 outright. There is no year, no subscription fees, nothing like that. It's just you pay it, you get it, and you set this up in how you need to for 10 employees. Can't go wrong. Simple as. But yeah, I got another video coming up shortly. You'll see. And I hope you can watch that and see it in more detail. Thanks.